ready to turn your phone into a paycheck. In 2026, the digital economy in Ethiopia is booming. Here are the top 5 apps you can use to start earning today. Let's Voice. First up is Afriwork. This is a premier freelance portal. Whether you're into writing, design, or data entry, this is where local companies look for talent. Build a professional profile and start bidding on local and remote gigs. Voice. Next is Talkroom. Goaski. Monetize it. People will pay you for instant expertise, whether it's tutoring in Oromo or English, or giving tech advice. Set your price, chat, and get paid for what you know. Voice. Looking for something simpler? Try Toloka AI. You earn USD by completing small microtasks, like labeling images or recording short voice clips to train artificial intelligence. It's perfect for earning in your spare time. Voice. If you're always on the move, download Premise. This app pays you for community insights. Take photos of local landmarks or report on prices at your neighborhood shop. It's literally getting paid to walk around your city. Voice. And finally, for easy rewards, check out Apollo by Bank of Abyssinia. Use their Refer and Earn feature. Just invite your friends to the app, and once they sign up, you get a direct bonus deposited into your account. It's that easy. Voice. The digital world is waiting. Pick the app that fits your skill level, stay consistent, and start earning. Don't forget to like and follow for more creator secrets. Let's build that future